Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video we will see how to handle alerts on the web browser. So let me show you an example. So if you see, this is one of the sample page, and in that page there's a button called show prompt alert. When you're working on any project, there might be a situation when you have to click something and it show you an alert. So this is a window which appears in front of a web page. And now if I want to click on any of the button like change month or any other thing, it will not work because I have to handle that window. Okay, and this small window is called alert. Sometime you will see a button like OK on this pop-up window, or sometime you will see a button like OK and cancel. So you can press any button, but you have to handle it. Alright, so for now I am clicking on cancel, and if you press on cancel, it give you a message like you pressed cancel. In case we have pressed on OK, it will give us a message you pressed OK. Okay, and if you also notice that in this window there is a text called press a button. So sometime it happened when you are testing, you have to verify the text of the alert is coming properly or not. So you can also do that once you handle this window. So let me show you how we can do that. Okay, so this is our code, and the first 3 lines and 4 lines are same, which says setting the system properties for Chrome driver, instantiating the object of the driver. Then we are also giving a WebDriver wait, an implicit wait for 10 seconds. Then we are opening a page through driver.get, and then we are maximizing that window. Okay, and in the end we are just printing the program is finished and closing the browser. So this is the space I have left for the alert handling. So let's say if you want to handle an alert, first we need to click on this button. Okay, so we need to find the X path of this button so that we can click on that. So let me do a right click and click on inspect. Okay, so its button ID is alert 2. Alright, so what I can do here, I can just type in here driver.findElement. Okay, and then I can give the X path, and under that I can give an expression, and once I get that I want to click on the button, so I will give dot click. But still, if you see, the XPath is empty and we have to find that what is the XPath. So the strategy for finding the XPath remain the same. I need to do a right click on this button and I need to click on inspect. So this is here, it will show button ID equal to alert. For giving the XPath, I will just do Control F and / button, and then within the square bracket I will give @ID. Okay, and then I need to give its name, that is alert 2. Alright, so it has highlighted it. It is correctly finding the button through this XPath. I will just copy this and I will paste it here. So now what will happen, once we click on that, it will show us the alert. Okay, because it will be very fast. So what I would just want to pause it for 2 seconds. Okay, so here I can give thread.sleep. Okay, so it will pause for 2 seconds. Alright, now so once we get the alert, we need to handle it. So for that we have an interface called alert, and we will create an object alert here, and then we will call driver.switch2.alert. Okay, so this is a command to handle the alert. I will get you the details also why we have to type driver.switch2.alert. So once we get that window, we have handled that alert. Now we can get the text of the alert which we want to verify through alert.getText. So I will store that into a string, and I will give something like alert text. Okay, and here I can type alert.getText. So this way you will get the text inside the alert. Okay, and if I want to print that, I will say system.out.println and alert text is, and then I will give this name alert text. Alright, so it will print inside whatever there is an alert, whatever has been given in that alert box, it will type into that. Okay, and if I want to press on the OK button, I need to type alert.accept, so that will press the OK button. And then what I will do, I want to type system.out.println. Okay, and I'm keeping it empty because I need to find the XPath of this. I want this message also to get printed, so I will do a right click and I will click on inspect, and its ID is alert message. So here, so I will give /p ID equal to alert message. Okay, seems I have not written @ I need to type @. Okay, so see, it has found the text. I will just copy this, and here I will say messages. Then again, because I have to use the XPath into driver.findElement so that it can find the element and then get the text, I can type driver.findElement by .xpath. Okay, and here I will give the XPath. Alright, and I will also give get text, so it will get me the text. Okay, so this is how I am printing first the message inside the alert, and then I am printing the text which comes up when I press OK or cancel button. For now I am pressing OK button, so let's try to run this. Okay, so to open the website, so it will load the page. If you see here, it is loading the page. So in Selenium, it do not perform any operation till the time it load. So it has shown the alert and it has pressed the OK button. And if you see, it says alert text is press a button. So if you see here, okay, when we click on this, it says press a button. So it says alert text is press a button, and when you click on OK, it says you pressed OK. So it's giving me you pressed OK. Alright, and the program finish. If in case I don't want to press on OK, I have to call .dismiss. Okay, so this is one of the method of alert, and I can again run it. So again, it will first load the page completely. It will maximize the window and it will press on show prompt alert, and then it will click on cancel. Still loading. Okay, so this time it says you pressed cancel. Alright, so this is the way how we can handle alert. And to give you a background what we have done, and so what we have done, we have just pressed the button, this one, through alert 2. Alert 2 is the name of the button. Once we get that button, we have paused for 2 seconds. After that, we have switched to the alert. It says driver.switch2.alert, and then we have got the alert text through alert.getText, and we have printed that. And we have pressed OK or a dismiss through alert.dismiss, and then after that we have get the message which was printing on the page, that is from the alert message paragraph. Okay, so this is how we have handled alert. And when we say alert equal to driver.switch to alert, if I click on this alert, you will see it is an interface, and it has 4 options. What is dismiss, which we have used, and then accept, and then get text, and after that it says send keys. Okay, so we have used all those threes. We have not used this, but sometime it happens some of the alert also has some kind of a text box in which we can write something. So this is the reason this method is given. We can use this, write something into the text box inside that alert, and then we can hit on OK or cancel button. Okay, so this is a interface alert, and if you notice, this is just an interface. There's no implementation in alert. But when we say driver.swish2.alert, it means that this has been implemented somewhere. So if I click on open implementation, okay, it gives me three options, that is remote target locator, event filing target locator, HTML unit target locator. So it has been implemented in all these three. I will click on the last one which it has been implemented. You see, this is something which has been implemented here. Okay, it is giving me a new remote alert class. All right, let me go back. And for going back, I am pressing my Alt key and I am pressing the arrow key, the left arrow key, through which I can go back from which I have called. Okay, and if you see Swish2, if I click on the implementation of Swish2, so it has been implemented in remote web driver. So if you see, it is throwing me the target locator. Okay, so it is throwing me a class of target locator here. Alright, so all this implementation has been done into the remote web driver. So under the driver.swish2, it called the remote web driver method, and that give me a class called alert. Let me just go to that class again. Let me go back. Okay, so it give me a class remote alert, that is why we have to get an interface alert, so that we can all those methods which has been implemented here. And now if I get any method, if I call any method, I am able to use it on my page. Alright, so this is the way how we can handle alert, and after alert I will also tell you how to handle windows and how to handle frames on the pages, because the same thing can help us to switch to some kind of window which pops up sometime. For example, you have gone to a naukri.com, another website. On that there's some pop-up window which comes up. We have to handle those also, so we can switch to those windows. Sometime it happens certain page has certain frames, and we have to switch to the frames so that we can work on the elements on those page. Those things I will tell you in my next session. Alright, thank you for now. Thank you for watching.